So this is a really pretty plant. Not sure the exact name, but it's like a tricolour prayer plant, I believe. But it quite likes this spot here. This one was called a Christmas cactus. Here's another one of my favourites. My sister bought me a couple of years ago. And Sansevieria. Really unusual spiky leaves this one has. This one just keeps going all the time. And some lovely flowers picked from my mum's garden before I left her the other day. And we got a little succulent, which is very sweet. This little one in this little pot. Just coming outside to see if there's anything that's come up. A few little daffodils here. And some little crocuses just appearing. First signs of spring. Primroses coming up as well now. So middle of February and just getting first signs of spring around the corner. So it might be all chilly and frosty out here, but we have signs of warmer weather on its way.